Model, 66-plate Renault Master Business front-wheel drive, ML35 dCi 130 Luton low loader Euro 6 ULEZ. Body, white, Luton, box. Mileage, 111,773. MOT, the 12th of January 2025. Engine, 2298 CCM 9T 125 E5E. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, none runner tries to fire, head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing whilst cranking, condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.